Hey guys, this is a lesson on inductive reasoning. This video should be pretty short. Inductive reasoning is when you have a logical type thinking that involves generalizations based on previous experience or observations that you've made. What you do is you look for a pattern and then you make a conjecture. A conjecture is an unproven guess, and it's based on observations. It may be right or it may be wrong. So inductive reasoning is involved in like patterns or making just an observation that you think might be true. So we have, in this case, you can do it with a sequence. So you have 2, 5, 8, 11, and you're thinking, okay, well I'm going to make a conjecture or what comes next. So 2 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 11, and you think, what is the pattern? So how does that progress? Hopefully you've seen that 2 to 5, that's plus 3. 5 to 8, that's also plus 3. Let's see if that's true for the next one. 8, that's plus 3. So all you'll do to find the next number in the sequence is plus 3. So it's based on a pattern that you're seeing and you're noticing what number can come next. So that's all you would do. Same thing is true for pictures. What's the next picture in the pattern? You have a circle, you have a plus. You have circle plus for all of them. So circle plus will probably be in the next pattern of the picture. Then you have this blue dot here in the corner, and then that's now here in the corner, and it's now here in the corner. So you're seeing that it goes around the circle, so that blue dot or the black dot will be right there in the corner. So that's the next picture in the pattern. That's inductive reasoning. We also have conjectures, and a conjecture again is you're making a guess on what comes next, or you're making a statement, but sometimes those conjectures are not true. In order to prove that it's not true, you come up with a counterexample. A counterexample is an example that shows a conjecture is false. In order for you to come up with a good conjecture or a good counterexample, it's got to have a situation where it fits the first part. So all people over 6 feet tall, and this says they're good at basketball. Well, to come up with a counterexample, you're saying, I can find someone who's over 6 feet tall, but is not good at basketball. And then that way, you'll find a counterexample. So is this true or false? No, because I can find someone who is over 6 feet tall, but is not good at basketball. So write down someone who is 6 feet tall, but not good at basketball. My Uncle Joe. My Uncle Joe is 6 feet tall, but he's not good at basketball. So that's a counterexample. Another problem or another statement, if an animal is a bird, then it is a flamingo. Is that true? Well, I can come up with a bird, an animal that is a bird, so it has to fit the first part, but that is not a flamingo. And there's tons of them. An animal that is a bird but not a flamingo, parrot. Okay, come up with another one. Ostrich. Oh, goodness. Come up with another one. Owl. Great. So all of those would be counterexamples. All right, go pick up the worksheet from the sub.